hashtag my voice.
All right. Well, that about does it. How would you like to pay?
Ooh, what's that? What's that?
That's a hair dryer.
Oh, can I sit under it?
Your hair's not wet, so.
Oh, well, can I, 1 second, I just want to see what it's like. It looks like UFO. It looks like it's from Star Trek.
It's not. It's just from the cosmetology store, so.
Looks like I'm wearing a hat.
It's just a dryer, actually, so.
Do you want to get in with me?
No, I'm pretty good on that. It's on.
It's on? I don't feel anything.
Because your hair is not wet.
It's a good photo.
Is that the one that doesn't work?